Hello everyone, hope you guys doing great. My name is Firdaus Sahel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit the shortcuts with Facebook. And this is going to be for desktop version. To edit the shortcut, first we need to sign in with our Facebook account. Then in your left, there is shortcuts. As you can see, your shortcuts. To go inside the page, so there we have this page and this group, and if I want to go inside the page, just I'm going to click here, or I can click on this group. To edit this shortcut, we need to click on edit. Now here I can search for pages, groups and games. For this page, you can see sort automatically. I can change to pin to top, or I can hide it. And also for this one, you can just click here to pin it to top, or you can hide it just like that and click on save. Now only I can see this one. To edit the shortcuts, I can just click here again, and now I'm going to pin this to the top and click on save. So it is on the top. Now just click back to edit. I'm going to pin this on the top and click on save. So this is how we can edit the shortcuts with Facebook. So hope you guys enjoyed and learned, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified about our latest uploads in our channel. So catch you guys in the next video.